I'll quickly walk you through on how to permanently delete any file you have on your Dropbox account, including fixing some issues that may come with it. The first step is to launch a web browser. As the browser opens, visit dropbox.com. You can see the web link there, dropbox.com. I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. Once it opens, the next step is to click on All Files tab. This will display all the files you have in your accounts, including documents, folders, and the rest. Okay, let's say I want to delete this file, so just take your cursor to the file you want to delete. Click on these three dots and you will see some options. Scroll down and then you see this delete. Click on it. This will show up here asking if you want to really delete the file. Just click on delete. The file is gone, but it's placed in the deleted files folder. So click on that. In this deleted files folder, you will see the files you deleted in the past, but are still within the range of 30 days. So look at the one we just deleted now. So take your cursor to it because we want to delete it permanently, and then click on this checkbox. Then you will see this option here, delete permanently. Just click on that. Then it will tell you to verify that you really want to delete the file. So it's going to send authentication code in your account, all right, email address in this case. But sometimes they may tell you that they will send it and they will not send it. So if you experience that, please close the browser, give it some hours and come back again and repeat the process. So here, click on continue. Then I have to get to my Gmail. So I'll click on this new tab and then open my Gmail account. And here is the code 254100. Or I can click on it, then double click on the code. Ctrl C to copy it, then get back to the Dropbox, click on this first box, Ctrl V to paste it. Then it says, do you want to delete one item? Permanently delete one item? I'll click on permanently delete. So it's going to delete this file and it's gone. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment. See you some other time.